dietetic intern at Texas Women's University. Did you know that October is National Seafood Month? The 2020 dietary guidelines recommend that people eat at least 8 ounces of seafood a week. A typical serving of seafood is about 4 ounces. This is a little bit larger than your palm. Now you may be wondering, why 2 to 3 servings a week? Seafood is filled with great nutrition. One serving furnishes healthy amounts of iron, zinc, calcium, protein, and polyunsaturated fat, which are all needed for brain development. Studies show that people who consume 2 to 3 servings of seafood a week have a lower risk for hypertension, cardiovascular disease, and diabetes. Let's talk about some of the ways you can incorporate seafood into your meals. Many times, people serve seafood as the main dish, but you can also have seafood as a side dish or an appetizer. Some popular ones are ceviche, crab cakes, and smoked salmon with cheese and crackers. For something new to try, I will show you how to make an avocado cucumber shrimp appetizer. Here are a list of the ingredients you'll need. And here's how you make it. While you're sauteing the shrimp with its spices, you can mash the avocado with lime and add salt and pepper to taste. Mix until creamy and scoop it onto the cucumber slices. Once it's ready, add the shrimp and squeeze fresh lime juice over the bites. Garnish with cilantro if you'd like. And there you have it, one of the many delicious ways to enjoy seafood and help reach your goal of 2 to 3 servings for the week. Enjoy National Seafood Month!